Can we take a little time? Back porch in the rocking chair. Leave the light on, I'll be meeting you out there. Reminisce every moment past, all the times we shared. You and I growing old together, we stood and faced the weather. One thing I know, you are my soul. Got a life ahead of us, we're gonna take it slow. Little things you do, I love about you. Hold you close like the day we met and watch our lives unfold in the sky tonight. And the stars will tell our story, no doubt in my mind.
Well, for you invested in me and now pronounce you husband and wife, you may kiss your bride.
When I think of you, Anna, the first word that comes to mind is sweet. You are one of the sweetest people I know. The second word that comes to my mind is sister. You are like a sister to me. You have been for quite some time. I'm glad we're making that official today. Ethan, my brother, my friend, you are a lucky man, and I am so proud of you today.
Sweet Anna, you're a breath of fresh air. Someone I trust completely. I'm so thankful you were the woman meant to be Ethan's wife. I see that you love him with your whole heart and bring out the best in the man that he is. Thank you for being the loyal, kind-hearted person that you are.
It's a beautiful life. And just you and I.